In this video, I will demonstrate the practical implementation of Canva AI. Canva is a graphic design platform that now includes several AI-powered features. These features helps users to create presentation, social media posts, posters, documents, and videos. With Canva AI, we can generate design, write content, remove image background, create AI images, and edit photos. Now, I will demonstrate some of the most useful AI features available in Canva AI. This is the Canva AI dashboard. From here, user can create presentations, videos, resumes, and many other types of design. On the left side, we can access different template and AI powered tools. Today, I will create a presentation using Canva AI and demonstrate how it simplifies the design process. Now I'm using Canva AI to generate a presentation. Instead of creating each slide manually, I simply enter a prompt describing the topic. Canva AI automatically generates a professional presentation with a suitable layout, colors, heading, icons, and images. This feature saves a lot of time and is especially useful for students and professionals preparing for presentation. As you can see, the Canva AI preparing a presentation. It will take some time to create a presentation and finalizing the design. Now the Canva AI created the presentation. It will create a beautiful presentation with images and text. Everything is looking perfect. Now I will demonstrate the magic media. I simply describe the image that I want and Canva create unique visuals based on the prompt. This feature is useful when suitable stock images are unavailable or when creating custom illustration for project and presentation. Now I'm open the magic media and give a prompt. The magic media created a poster for my presentation. I can simply use it for my presentation. After generating the image, Canva allows us to customize every element. We can change color, font, layout, animation, icons, and image according to our preference. This flexibility helps user to create visually appealing and professional quality design with a little effort. As you can see, it can change the background and the transparency of the image, and it can change the font also and color also. So overall, Canva AI is a powerful productivity tool that combines design and artificial intelligence. It simplifies presentation creation, content writing, image editing, and graphic designing by automatic repetitive tasks. Canva AI help user to create high quality content quickly and efficiently. Thank you for watching this demo.